Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I want to show you how I structure a professional Python backend project. This is not a framework specific tutorial. The goal here is to create a clean foundation that can grow over time, just like in real backend project. When we start a Python project, it's very common to put everything in one file. This work at the beginning, but it becomes a problem very quickly. A good project structure improves readability, testing, and long-term maintenance. This is especially important for backend systems. Some common mistakes I see are 1. Putting all the code inside one main file. 2. Mixing business logic with application setup. And 3. Not think about testing from the beginning. These mistakes make projects harder to understand and harder to scale. Let me show you the basic structure of this project. Um, we start with an app folder. Okay, this is where the application code lives. Inside it, we have a simple main file. We also have a tests folder. Even it's empty at the beginning, I like to create it from day one to make testing part of the project culture. And finally, we have a README. We have a README file that explains what is this project is about. At this stage, main is intentionality, very simple. The goal here is not functionality. The goal is structure and clarity. In future videos, this file will grow as we add more features. This structure is simple by design. In the next videos, we will extend it step by step. We will add dependency management, APIs, database, authentications, and even AI integrations. Because the foundation is clean, this change will be easy to manage. In this video, we create the initial structure for Python backend project. In the next video, we will talk about dependencies and the difference between pyproject and requirements. You can find you can find the repository link in the description. Uh, Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.